And I also like to put sunscreen on my hands. I feel like if the hands are looking decrepit, you can definitely tell the age. Good morning. It's currently 6:50. It's almost 7 a.m. here in Seattle. I'm about to get up and get dressed. We are headed to the office this morning to get an early start on this project. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for the GA and see where the day takes us. So the plan is to be at the office by 8 o'clock. So I'm about to get up, take a shower, and get my clothes on so I can be ready to go early this morning. We have a long day. So I'm gonna dress really comfortable. We'll be doing a lot of manual labor. So I have my camera propped up on the tissue holder. Yeah. And I really need a little bit more light. There we go. But it's like a makeshift. It's a makeshift tripod. Look how cute these mouthwashes are. Wow. Because I was opening the wrong side. So it has a little toothpaste, a little Colgate toothpaste, and then the toothbrush. I'm gonna move the toothbrush okay. I did bring my own toothbrush because I prefer Crest over Colgate. So put my hair up really quickly so I can brush my face. I'm gonna be like, what is the pick? I have no face, so that and so. These are my Medicube or toner pads. I did bring these, but I put them in a plastic bag. I didn't want to bring the whole container in fear that it would get thrown away and then I would have nothing to do my skincare with. So I just put them in a plastic bag. But these are the Medicube Pore toner pad. Yuck. Put these on right here. And then I'll put my retinol on. So it'll get a little bit of moisture underneath my eyes and right here because I feel like I look really tired. My absolute favorite deodorant. It smells so good. And then I'm gonna do the Byredo body lotion and then my Vaseline. I have the actual Vaseline for my feet because it just helps them stay so soft. But I'm gonna do this in addition to this just to make sure that I'm super moisturized. Okay, let's finish the skincare. I text my coworker, it's a little after 8 o'clock. So we should be heading out soon. It is cold here. I'm gonna open it over the short sleeve top because it is cold here. This is the Kiehl's Retinol Skin Renewing Microdose Shot. This one. Let it dry down for a second because of course with any retinol you need sunscreen, so I am gonna put sunscreen on, but let's just bun my hair really quickly. My Eco Stellar gel that I showed you guys last time that I got from Target. I literally am almost out of it. I meant to get another one, but I just did not have time. Just gonna do our split back. but I didn't realize it was. My storage is running out of my phone, so I don't even know how much vlogging. I have so many videos that I need to edit. I'm gonna try to hurry. Let's go in with the Kiehl's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream before I go in with my sunscreen. I'm gonna go in with the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. I absolutely love this and understand why it is expensive. It is worth every penny. Can't forget about my neck. I also like to put sunscreen on my hands because I feel like if the hands are looking decrepit, you can definitely tell the age. That's where you can really see someone's age. I guess I'll just put it all over my face because I am gonna do the Mesomeric skin tint. Blurry. My phone storage was full. It's full. So I am about to eat some breakfast and then we're gonna head over to the office. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys. Made it back to the hotel. We got a lot done in the office, but we still have to go over to our new office space and then go back over to our old office space. So we're taking a quick break. I'm actually gonna hop into the bathtub and take a bath and change my clothes because we've been doing all of that, and so I just want to freshen up. The plan is to go to dinner, so we will see if we get that far, but knowing us, we'll just want to come back to the room and relax. So I'm gonna take a bath. I will see you guys in a little bit. I'll catch you later, like when we're actually doing something. So good morning, guys. It is Saturday. We are getting ready to leave Seattle. So I've got to pack up my stuff. We are still in Seattle, but we're getting ready to head home. I've got to pack up all my stuff and do my hair, do my makeup, and we are out the door. We're doing good on time this morning. It's 8 o'clock. And I would like to get to the airport the latest by like 11:15. I know housekeeping is probably like, why does she need so many channels? Mind your business. This one person does not need all of these towels. I'm sure that is what they're thinking when they come in here and see all the towels that they just put out, piled up, but I need a fresh towel. And then underneath my eye, just kind of lock that moisture in. If you've never smelled this, the Byredo lotion, well, Byredo in general, the shower soap, the hand wash, all of that is Byredo. This smells so good. I have to get this when I get home because it really smells so good. It's a lighter consistency, so it's not like very thick, but the fragrance lasted all throughout the day. Like I could smell when I got back to the hotel, I could still smell this lingering on my skin, and I absolutely love when a fragrance holds on. So yeah, if you guys have not tried this, I would definitely recommend giving the Byredo, giving this Or try, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name because I'm gonna butcher it, but it smells. Look how cute these jeans are. I got these from American Eagle. Oh, they fit so good. Oh, and they have enough like give in the knee. I always feel like my jeans never like give in the knee because I have big legs. But like these are so cute. I think I got these in a size 4 regular length. Skin renewing daily microdose serum. Going with this. And just do 1 pump. 1 pump is all you need. And then I'm gonna go in with the the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream before I put on my sunscreen. We have dinner plans once we land at home. Like I was just going to get dressed right now for what I was gonna wear when we get home, but I think I'll have enough time to get home from the airport really quickly, drop my luggage off, and then throw something on. I've already showered, put lotion on, so get off, take my bag, and go. And I usually like to sit in the very back of the plane because it's by the bathroom, nobody really wants to sit back there. So most of the time I have like a whole row to myself. But when I checked last night, my row was still just me. So fingers crossed that I'll have an empty row. I had an empty row coming to Seattle, but someone saw that the row was empty and they asked the flight attendants if they could move back to where I was sitting, which was fine. It was an older lady. And she was asleep the whole time, so it wasn't anything major, but I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to stretch my legs out a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna put these brushes in my purse. I'm not gonna lie, I am super sleepy. Like, I don't want to mess my hair up on the flight, but I also know that I want to lay down because I am tired. So we'll see. Okay, guys, I'm finished packing. Makeup is done. I needed to film a TikTok, so I filmed my makeup over on that side. But everything is finished. I've packed up. It's currently 10:08. So with that being said, I'm going to get ready to head out of the hotel. I'm going to check out and head to the airport. Boarding is in 2 hours. So that'll give me enough time to get through TSA and hopefully get me a little tea at Starbucks. So if I don't talk to you guys at the airport, I will see you in St. Louis.